Hello everyone. In this video, let me explain the application of superposition theorem to a network. For this, let us consider the following circuit diagram and let's find the current through the 5 ohm resistor by applying superposition theorem. According to superposition theorem, in any linear active bilinear network having more than one source, so here we have more than one source, the response across any element is the sum of response obtained by each source considered separately. That is, how do we consider the source separately? That is by considering all other sources to be replaced by their internal resistances. And when we consider a voltage source, the internal resistance of a voltage source is 0, and hence a voltage source is replaced by a short circuit, and the current source has an internal resistance, an infinite internal resistance, and hence the current source is always open circuited. So now we are going to consider two circuit diagrams wherein we consider one circuit diagram to be the circuit diagram with the voltage source replaced by a short circuit. The other is where a current source is replaced by an open circuit. So let us consider these two circuits. And now we are going to draw these two circuits using Falstad, and then we are going to simulate and see. So here the voltage source is replaced by a short circuit and the current source is here removed and it is replaced by an open circuit. So now let's simulate these circuits on Falstad and see how it works. So let us proceed the simulation. So let us proceed the simulation through Falstad. So we have only the current source here in this circuit, and we have only the voltage source considered in these circuits. And at the diagram that is drawn, half drawn at the bottom, we have both the voltage source and current source. So we are going to simulate all these three circuits and we are going to check the current through 5 ohm resistor. So to measure the current through 5 ohm resistor, we are supposed to add an ammeter. Before that, let me correct or modify the value of voltage of the voltage source. So we are going to add an ammeter from output and label. In all the three circuits. It could be seen from the simulation that while considering only the current source of 4 ampere, if the current that we measure is I1 is found to be minus 1.6 ampere. And while using the voltage source alone, if the current measured is labeled as I2 is 1.6 ampere. And while we have both the sources together on the network, because of the two sources acting together, we don't have any current here through 5 ohm resistor, because we could verify this using superposition theorem. The current through 5 ohm resistor will be the sum of currents, individual currents that act when sources are acting separately. So I1 plus I2, so it is minus 1.6 plus 1.6, and that's equal to 0 ampere. Thus, superposition theorem is verified for the following network. Thank you.